Are you looking to build a career in the IT field or gain a solid foundation in IT essentials? If yes, then this course is for you. In this course, we'll cover the core fundamentals needed for any IT role. Whether you are aiming to become a software engineer, Linux or Windows administrator, security analyst, or any other specialized field. Throughout this course, you'll understand what a CPU is and how it works, the concept of cores and sockets, the differences between 32-bit and 64-bit architectures, what OSI network layers are, the differences between TCP/IP and OSI, SQL, RAID, and various storage types, all the essential basics for anyone entering the IT world. This course is theory-based but packed with valuable information that every IT professional must know. You'll gain a lot of new insights and knowledge along the way. So, let's begin by taking a quick look at our course overview.